going to create a rainbow makeup look today, which is going to be inspired by the NHS. We're all going through a really hard time at the moment, and the NHS are working really hard to help. There is a campaign going on called the Thanks a Million campaign, and it's basically a picture of a rainbow. You put it on your window to show your appreciation and your support for the NHS. So with that being said, I have decided to translate it into makeup and create a rainbow look. So let's do it. I have got a green and a blue and a green contact lens in, because rainbow. I have got a bunch of colourful paints. I'm spoilt for choice. I don't actually know what I'm going to do. I'm improvising this, but we're just going to be really colourful. I'm liking the look of this one. Let's just see what happens. Okay, I've got it, I know what I'm doing. Don't know what I'm going to do next. I'm going to use this sort of rough, fluffy brush because I want a very light, wispy texture. Almost like paint spatter. Why not use a toothbrush? I want to try and create like crying tears, lots of water, and let's make myself cry. Tickles. Just come up with an idea. I've got some airbrush colours and they're proper liquid form. I could literally drip the colour down my face. Oh my goodness. Okay, go. Come on. Oh dear, oh, it still works. No! I feel like a kid playing with paint all over again. Turning out to be messier than planned, but I'm loving it. I want to add a little bit of a highlight to the makeup, so I'm just going to add some white. To finish this look off, I've got some coloured hairspray. I only have pink and blue,